Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today we're going to be making Cheeriowls, and this is basically the Wizarding World's version of Cheerios. It's kind of like a parody of Cheerios. So to do that, we are going to need a box of Cheerios. Now, fact about myself, my favorite breakfast cereal is not Cheerios, but it is Rice Krispies Treats. And this video is not sponsored by Kellogg's or Rice Krispies Treats, but not Rice Krispies, but Rice Krispies Treats cereal is like amazing. I haven't had Rice Krispies Treats since I was like a kid. So this is amazing. I got a box, I tried it. It's just as good as I remember. So if you've never had Rice Krispies Treats cereal, give it a shot. Anyways, I got these peanut butter and chocolate Cheerios because the color was the right color of cereal for the Cheeriowls. And this is just the standard size box for Cheerios. So if you get just regular Cheerios, my templates should fit them. This was actually part of the 40K giveaway. So the 40K giveaway winner got a box of Cheeriowls. Go ahead and check out the description box below for a list of supplies you're gonna need, as well as the free downloadable templates, and let's get started. First, you need to print the templates, of course, and these are the 11 by 17 versions. There's also an 8.5 by 11 version that, I mean, basically you print out more pieces which you then have to stitch together. And this, there's only 2 pieces, so it's the easier way to go. This is gonna be a pretty simple DIY. We are going to reskin a box of cereal, but the first step is just to trim off all of this white space from around the templates. So I am just going to take a ruler and X-Acto knife to cut these out just so that the cuts are pretty precise. And here I'm just pushing down on the ruler and then following along with my X-Acto knife along that edge to get a nice, clean, straight cut. So now we have both of these templates cut out. There will be more, obviously, if you're using the 8.5 by 11 version. So we can just go ahead and set these aside for now. And then we're going to work with the box of Cheerios. So basically, we just want to open this box of Cheerios up with the least amount of damage possible. So I'm going to use this little tool right here, and this is actually for like sculpting with clay. You could use a butter knife if you want, but yeah, I'm just gonna sort of open this up. I'm also going to open up the bottom, and then I'm going to take the actual cereal out of the box. And there, now we should be able to have this flattened box here. And then I'm also going to open the seam on the side too, right here. And this should open up the entire cereal box. So it should be able to lay flat as just one piece of cardboard. And the basic idea is that we are going to reskin this and then glue it back into a box shape and then put the cereal back inside of it. So to start off, this first part right here should go right up to the edge pretty much. And you will sort of center this right here on the front of the box and then move it all the way over to the edge. And right here is where we want it. We're just gonna glue this on top of the box now. And I'm gonna do this with a glue stick or a few glue sticks. You could use whatever you want. I'm using glue stick because it's fast, it dries quick, it's easy, and I have a bunch of them. But you could use anything you want. If you're using Mod Podge though, I would suggest printing the templates out on a cardstock so that it doesn't wrinkle because of the wetness of the glue. Okay, so I have glued all of this down. Now I'm just going to move this to the very edge and glue it on. So now we have this very first part right here glued down. Now I'm just going to sort of flip this up right here. I'm going to glue this down in sections. So I've got this first part done, and then I'm just going to apply some more glue onto a little bit more of this, about like that. And then I can just glue this side down as well. And then I'll just take this in sections. So I'll glue a little bit more. And we'll just keep going until we have this whole first part glued down. Now we should be right here. So we have the very first part of the template glued down onto our box. Once you're at this point, now it's time to glue on the second part of the template. This edge right here should line up with the edge of the back of the template. And then when you glue it across, it should just line up right here in the center together. The only thing you need to make sure of is that the top and bottom of the template line up as well. So let's go ahead and glue this down just like we did the front of the template. Now we have the entire cereal box skinned as the Cheeriowls. So then the next step we need to do is trim off all of the excess white from around the actual cereal box. And I'll just do this with a pair of scissors because it's pretty easy. All right, so now I have cut out this all the way around according to how the actual box shape is. So then all we need to do next is glue the box back together. And we only need to do this for the bottom of the box and the side of the box. And I'm gonna do this with a hot glue gun. And a good way to do this is to just look at where the glue was before we pried this open and just put the glue where it needs to go and glue it together. I am going to start with gluing the edge right here to this edge right here. So I can just add some hot glue right here. And then this should fold over onto the actual box part on the edge right here. So there we go, there's that part. And now all we need to do is glue the bottom together like that. As you can see where the glue was, we're gonna put a dab of glue here, here, and then we're going to fold that onto the end here. And then we're going to put some glue here, here, and fold this up. And now the very last step is to add some glue here and here. And now we can fold this up and close the bottom of the box like that. So now you should be left with a box of Cheeriowls like this, and the top should be opened like that. And now we can just take the cereal that we had and just slide it right back into the box like this and fold it closed. There we go. And now we have an actual box of Cheeriowls, basically ready for a party or just for decoration or whatever you want, but the cereal is actually on the inside. So this is actually, it's a prop, but it's more than a prop because it actually has the physical cereal on the inside too. So you could eat this if you wanted to. Totally up to you, but there you go. It could be like breakfast after the party or something. If you'd like a chance at winning the Cheeriowls box that I made in this video today, there's a giveaway link in the description box below, and you're going to be winning the actual Cheeriowls box plus the cereal on the inside. I have not opened it up. It's totally sealed. So yeah, that's what you're going to win if you win this giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I have like 3 giveaways to announce in this video. For the Dobby cutout, the winner is Elaine Burns. For the Skiving snack box, the winner is Jennifer Du Bois. And for the self-writing quills, the winner is 610 YouTube Kid. Congratulations to all of you, and I have sent you all emails with instructions on how you can claim your prizes. Another thing is, I kind of want to start, whenever I post a video, I kind of want to pick a comment from my previous video and just kind of read it and address it on the next video. I think that would be a fun thing to do, and I think you guys would probably like having the chance to have that happen. So yeah, and I'm not gonna do it in this one because there was no like announcement for this at all, but starting from my next video on, that's what I'll be doing.
Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.